बच्चों, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let's start our topic multiplication. Himen is trying to solve a page with multiplication activities. Help him to find the answers. Now, 4 rats running on the grass. Count their number of legs. Number of rats are 4. Number of legs each rat has 4. So, total number of legs is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 4 times 4. 4 times 4. 4 4s are 16 legs. Now, 3 butterflies with pattern of stars. 3 butterflies with pattern of stars. Count their number of legs fast. Now, number of legs कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One has 6 legs. Number of butterflies 3. Number of legs each butterfly has 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 3 times 6. 3 6 are 18. Now 5 birds on a tree. 5 birds on a tree. Count the number of wings fast. Each bird has 2 wings. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 times 5. 2 5s are 10. Adding the same number again and again is called repeated addition. Multiplication means repeated addition. The symbol of multiplication is this. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand and the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The result obtained after multiplication is called product. We write it in 2 ways. Multiplicand, multiply by multiplier is equals to product. That is 3 multiply by 5 is equals to 15 or column form में 3 multiply by 5 that is 15. 3 is multiplicand, 5 is multiplier and 15 is the product. We can say it in different ways. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Read aloud and tick the correct option. A part. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. 4 times 6 is equals to 24. Yes. 4 into 4 is equals to 24. No, it's wrong. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is multiplication on a number line. Let us see how to multiply 4 and 2 on a number line. To do so, we start from 0 and make 4 jumps of 2. Start from 0 to 2 के 4 jumps किए हमने. We reached at 8. So 4 times 2 that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 2s are 8. Now multiply the given numbers on a number line and write the answer. A part 2 into 8. 8 jumps of 2. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We reached at 16. Answer is 2 8s are 16. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is multiplication tables. Complete the table. Count. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. First column आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now complete the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Now complete the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. फर्स्ट कॉलम आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कंप्लीट द टेबल ऑफ 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. Now complete the table of 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90 and 10 10s are 100. फर्स्ट कॉलम आप खुद कंप्लीट करेंगे. नाउ we already know the multiplication tables for the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 10. Let us now learn the tables of 6 7 8 and 9. Table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Now write the missing numbers and answer the question. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Is it the table of 3? Yes. Now next, plus 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27 and 30. Which table is it? Is it a table of 3? Now सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए यहाँ पे आप 6 की टेबल फॉर्म करेंगे. नाउ टेबल ऑफ 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Now write the missing numbers and answer the question. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. It is a table of 3. Yes. Now 4, 8, 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Which table is it? It is a table of 4. In the same way 7 की टेबल आप यहाँ लिखेंगे. Now next is table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Now write the missing numbers and answer the questions. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Is that a table of 2? Yes. Now किसकी टेबल बनेगी? 6 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Which is table it is? It is a table of 6. In the same way 8 की टेबल आप यहाँ फॉर्म करेंगे. Now next is table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Now starting from 9, circle every ninth number. Now 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45, 9 6 जा 54, 9 7 जा 63, 9 8 जा 72, 9 9 जा 81, 9 10 जा 90. Now multiply and write the product. A part 9 7 जा 63. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्ट्स. First, if we multiply any number by 1, the answer will be the number itself. For example, 6 into 1 is 6 and 8 into 1 is 8. Next, if we multiply any number by 0, the result is always 0. For example, 7 into 0 is 0 and 9 into 0 is 0. Now next, we can multiply two numbers in any order. The result will be the same. For example, 2 into 8 is equals to 16 and 8 into 2 is also equals to 16. Now write T for true and F for false statement. A part 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Yes, it's true. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर बाय 1 डिजिट नंबर विदाउट कैरी ओवर. Let us learn how to multiply 2 digit number by 1 digit numbers without carry over. Let's multiply 24 by 2. Follow the given steps to multiply them. Step 1. Arrange the digits of the given numbers in tens and ones columns. Step 2. Move from right to left and start multiplying the digit of the multiplicand by the multiplier. Now, ones and tens, 24 multiply by 2. Now, multiply the digit at the ones place by 2. That is 4 ones into 2 is equals to 8 ones. Write 8 under the ones column. Now multiply the digit at the tens place by 2. 2 tens into 2 is equals to 4 tens. Write 4 under the tens column. Thus 24 into 2 is 48. Now example करते हैं. There are 12 pastries in a one box. How many pastries will be there in 4 such boxes? Solution करते हैं. Number of pastries in one box is 12. Number of boxes कितने हैं? 4. तो 4 boxes में कितनी pastries होगी? We have to multiply. Number of pastries in 4 boxes is equals to 12 into 4. Now 12 multiply by 4. 4 2 is 8. 4 1 is 4. That is 48. There will be 48 pastries in 4 boxes. Now write in columns and find the product. A part 43 multiply by 2. Ones and tens 43 multiply by 2. Now 3 2s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Answer is 86. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ अ 2 डिजिट नंबर बाय अ 1 डिजिट नंबर विद कैरी ओवर. Let's learn how to multiply a 2 digit number by a 1 digit number with carry over. Let's multiply 28 by 4. Follow the given steps to multiply them. Now, number 1. Arrange the digits of the given numbers in tens and ones column. Now, move from right to left and start multiplying the digits of the multiplicand by the multiplier. Now, 28 multiply by 4. Now, first multiply the digit at the ones place by 4. 8 ones into 4 is 32 ones. 32 ones को हमने regroup किया. 3 tens plus 2 ones. Write 2 under ones column and carry over 3 to the tens place. Now second, multiply the digit at the tens place by 4. 2 tens into 4 is equals to 8 tens. Add it to 3 tens which is carried over. 8 tens plus 3 tens is equals to 11 tens. Now 11 tens is 100 plus 110. Write 1 in tens place and hundreds place. 1 at hundreds place. Thus 28 multiplied by 4 is 112. Now example 1. Multiply 78 by 5. Solution करते हैं. 78 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40. 0 4 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 4 is 39. So 78 multiplied by 5 is 390. Now example 2. Multiply 92 by 7. Solution करते हैं. 92 multiply by 7. 2 7s are 14. 4 carry 1. 9 7s are 63 plus 1 is 64. Thus 92 multiplied by 7 is 644. Now remember, always add the carried over digit while multiplying to get the correct answer. Now write in columns and find the product. ए पार्ट 54 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, तो 1s tens 54 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 कैरी 1, 3 5s are 15 प्लस 1 is 16, तो 100 प्लेस भी 1 6 16, आंसर इज 162। तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। नाउ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ अ 3 डिजिट नंबर बाय 1 डिजिट नंबर विदाउट कैरी ओवर। Let us learn how to multiply 3 digit number by 1 digit numbers without carryover. Let us multiply 324 by 2. Follow the given steps to multiply them. First, arrange the digit of the given numbers in hundreds, tens and ones column. Second, move from right to left and start multiplying the digits of the multiplicand by the multiplier. Now, arrange किया हमने 324 multiply by 2. Multiply the digit the ones place by 2, that is 4 ones into 2 is 8 ones. Write 8 under the ones column. Multiply the digit at the tens place by 2. 2 tens into 2 is equals to 4 tens. Write 4 under the tens column. Now multiply the digit at the hundred place by 2. 3 hundreds multiply by 2 is equals to 6 hundreds. Write 6 under the hundreds columns. Thus 324 multiply by 2 is 648. Now example, मल्टीप्लाई 133 बाय 3। सॉल्यूशन करते हैं। 133 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, आंसर इज 399। Thus 133 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 is 399। नाउ राइट इन कॉलम्स एंड फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट। ए पार्ट 123 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, तो वंस tens and hundreds, 123 multiply by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3, आंसर इज 369। तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे। आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया, इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे।